I've had a few questions about textbooks and worksheets, uh, and I want to go through and show you kind of what I expect on these. Um, as for textbooks, there's not a textbook for the class. As of now, if we change a curriculum, if we have textbooks, I'll send those out. If we have online access to the textbooks, I'll send that out. But as of right now, we have the worksheets. We have everything is in class, is in the Google Classroom for now. Um, so if you're wanting to do the, when you're going through, you'll open the exit ticket. This is the assignments that I have in here for y'all. Okay, these questions that are on the exit tickets are the exact same questions you'll find um, in the on the worksheets. So you have your exit tickets. This is how you'll test yourself. This is what I'll see that you're going through the worksheets and finding the answers that you need to be finding. Okay, the worksheets themselves are in the material along with everything else. We also have our videos that I'll show you in just a second. As for the worksheets, let me pull one up. And notice I'm pulling them up in a new window, and I'm doing that for a reason that I'll show you in just a second. So we need to read through all of these, and we need to highlight and make notes. To highlight on Google Docs, if you want to print these out, we print them out in class, and that's how we work on them. You don't have to print them out. You can read through them. You can highlight just by highlighting the sentence you would like to highlight. You go up to the little thing that looks like a marker, highlight color, and you can just highlight it. And then you can leave comments on that highlight. And you know, and this could be, it could be something as simple as number one, or you could elaborate. You know, China is very mysterious. Something, whatever relates to the questions that as to why you're highlighting it. For instance, if that goes along with the first question that we have down here, during what years did the Tang Dynasty rule China? We could go right up here to the Tang Dynasty, and we can send the first sentence. We'd highlight this and leave a comment. You know, years ruled by Tang Dynasty. And that was answer to number one. You could write something like that, or just whatever is going to let you know that that part of this worksheet, that sentence, tells you the answer to number one. If you have all of these, if you have these comments in here, when you go back to do your exit ticket, I'll pull that up quickly. You can do, make that a little smaller. All right, you have your comment over here as the answer to number one. So you can come right over here and enter it. You have your answer right in front of you. That's an easy way to do it. This is very similar to how we do it in class. This is as similar as being in class as you can get by doing it virtual. Is that you make comments here. When you pull up your exit ticket to do it, you have that right in front of you. The students are allowed, they're not allowed to share their answers, but as we read over these and we answer them, we do discuss them. We make sure everyone does have an answer. So in this case, you would have that answer to number one, and you can come over here and click this. And as you scroll through, you can answer the questions and do the exit ticket. I suggest doing all of this at once. You'd want to read through this, get all of your answers, get things highlighted, get your comments in there, and then pull up your exit ticket and just go through, simply go through. You can scroll over here, see where all your these are where your comments are going to be. You have number 1, number 2 to let yourself know where you found it and what the answer is. Okay, if you, as far as readings, if you would like to listen to me read them, now my videos they're not very exciting, but I will read through. I'll have a video of me reading through each one of these worksheets, all the way through it. It'll be split up in 2 or 3 videos. They'll be hopefully no more than 10 minutes apiece, but maybe 10 to 12 minutes apiece. Those videos will also be in the material. I have the China and Tang reading 1 and reading 2. One's 9 minutes and one's 10 minutes. So to have the reading going at the same time as you have the worksheet pulled up, okay, you can right click again, right click, open a new window, and you'll shrink this. You'll shrink each of them actually. And you can make like a split screen and just size these, however you need to. I would suggest making this one a little bit wider so you can fit the entire worksheet in there. And once you click on the reading, it'll pop the video up. It should automatically play. And there's that one. And as I read along, you can follow with me, and you can pause, make your highlights whenever you see an answer, leave your comments on it, and then you can come over and hit play again, and then I'll start reading again. You can read along with me, and you can go through the entire worksheet like that. If I am a little late, I have a couple of videos already. If you get a little bit ahead, I may not have those readings. But give me some time. I'll get all of the reading videos out there. All right, I hope this helps you with the worksheets and with the exit tickets. Any questions, please let me know.